Hi, welcome back. Quickly, we will discuss about the Nifty futures levels for tomorrow, that is Wednesday. See, today Nifty futures closed around 25,089, and tomorrow, that is Wednesday, if this trades above this level, that is trades above 25,096 level, this level, then 25,121 to 134 is the target. And above 25,134, the next target is 25,178. 25,178 breaks, then 25,198 and 25,258, 25,305. And this 25,305, as stated yesterday, this will be a crucial resistance. Once Nifty close above with the good volumes, quite easily it will rally another 200 points. Okay, then the lower side trades below 250, 25,050. Then next target is 25,020, 25,978, 25,952 and more on the downside. Then what about Nifty? Bank Nifty tomorrow is Bank Nifty futures. Trades above 56,526. Okay. Today it was 342 and our trading levels only changed. The support and resistance are more or less same. And here is the support. The 342 support, since it is futures, no? So 326, 330, 342 is the support, lower range. Trades below 460, 460 level. Then 342 to 330 will be the downside target. And below that, 56 to 22 and 56,098 and last support at 55,997. And the upper side, okay, the upper side targets are trades above this level, 56,526. Then 56,670 is the target. 670. 670 is the target. Above 670, today's level, 670 above, Bank Nifty futures are very strong. And 670 above, the next target is 56,758 and 870. Once a 30 minutes candle or 50 minutes candle close above this range with some volumes, then Bank Nifty futures will record a new high. It will quite easily, it will reach here, 57,149. And above which huge short covering will happen and the market will jump like anything. So that's all about levels only. So how to trade with these levels mean how to trade with these levels. Once a candle have to close above this level with sufficient volumes, then only take a position. That is what about levels. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures level. Then what about this Bank Nifty spot? No. Thank you very much.